Now, let us come to the fourth section, that is coding. This only the student community, most of 99% of the college goers think this is programming. They never know, they never think of the previous three phases. Those are the core phases where you have to apply your brain. This is by simple practice, you can manage it. Now you are 2 days old in this domain, but if you have little commitment and hardworking nature, definitely you can write this program. It's not a big thing, not a big thing. So only practice is required. Little common sense, little IQ is required. That's all. Nothing more than that. Now, as I told you already, program is divided into 4 sections: declaration section, processing input section, processing section, and the output section. All the sections I am writing, but output section I am not going to write because it takes a lot of space, and this is routine. One thing already I told you, here only practice. First understanding the concept and practice. If you practice, you can write printf statements well. Otherwise, some or other mistakes you commit. That's why this is the shortest cut for developing project and all that. Don't expect much more. Only 2 days of your endeavor enable you to write solid C projects. This is not possible otherwise. That's why I request you 2 days totally you devote on all the units of this workshop and start writing the. And one more thing also I am telling you, this program everything meticulously I am explaining, and at the same time I am writing the code, and I am providing the program soft copy also. Okay. And one thing I request you, if you feel that you really understood and all that, then you write it on your own. If you commit some mistakes also, heavens won't fall down, your computer never be blasted. Okay. That's why you write. Being a beginner, obviously you may commit some errors, nothing wrong. By committing errors, you can understand one thing, why you are committing error, because you couldn't grasp one or two elements properly. That's why you are committing errors. There you can plug the loophole. Understand that error is in this domain. Whatever errors you commit, those are your friends, not enemies and all that. But at the same time, I am not encouraging you to commit errors. Understand? After writing code, before compiling, once again go through all the code. If any mistakes, any are overlooked and all that, then you can rectify them. So, and number 2 is all the conventions. Once again, I am going to explain in writing code. All that you strictly follow. Day 1, how you practice, you continue the same. Subsequently, you may not change it, because it is like your signature. Once you practice the signature in one fashion, it is continued. It is very difficult to change into other fashion and all that. In the same way, whatever conventions I am telling you, those conventions you strictly follow. If you take it as a first program and all that, strictly follow the conventions. Okay. Now you see, first to start with a comment. Comment explains what is the task of the program in a simple words. Okay. Thereafter, corresponding header files you write. These header files for every program, stdio.h is required for the sake of printf and scanf. Conio.h is required for the sake of clear screen. That I already explained to you. Thereafter, void main comes. You write like this. Okay. Thereafter, now while writing, 2 characters you leave and write it. By that, you are able to reader can identify the block. Clearly, a block is identified, and closing brace you put in this line only. Then it is perfectly, a block can be easily visible and identified very easily. So always follow that. Thereafter, whatever code you are writing here within the block or within the body of the main, after 2 characters you start with. Here 2 characters, here 2 characters. Then your code is highly readable. Okay. Thereafter, I explained this concept. Now declaration starts, and 10 variables we are declaring, and these variables also you follow one, don't write all the variables in one line, even though they are belong to one type. Some classification is required. There are no hard and fast rules for that. Only your common sense helps you how to classify. Now you see here char, only one variable is there. We declare a char name. Okay. Thereafter, class number, class and roll number, one line. All these are ints only. How many? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9. Even though this classification, see, you can find one type of integrity here. Class number, roll number are one type of data items. And int, all marks are different types of data items. And total marks and average marks are output variables. Like that, if you think one type of classification, one type of based on integrity you can identify, that you do that. Nobody will ask you. Here, one example I have to tell you, how a housewife organizes different articles in home. There is a logic for that. In the same manner, you apply your common sense or logic and classify them and write like this. Now declaration section is over. In this way, you write comment. Thereafter, what I suggest you, one line gap you give. Then this section is clearly identifiable. Okay. Thereafter, clear screen you write, one line gap you give. If you don't give also no problem. Thereafter, you start input section. In input section, how many input variables are there? Totally 8 input variables are there, 2 output variables are there. For 8 input variables, you have to write scanf statements for reading values through keyboard. Okay. Then what to do? To make your program user friendly, for every input value, one separate scanf statement you write. For that, corresponding printf prompt statement you write. That I show you. I cannot write all the for 8 variables. Just for sample sake, I am showing you 2. Printf, enter the name. Now that is a prompt statement. Then here scanf, %c, and here comma, and name, ampersand name, address of name, that we are writing. Okay. Thereafter, enter the class number. I explained why we are writing this in previous programs and all that. And now scanf and %d, here %c, corresponding type only you have to write. Here corresponding type conversions with %d, ampersand class. This is a common mistake to ignore the ampersand. If you ignore ampersand and all that, no error message will come. You get garbage values as a result. That is the problem. So in that way, for 2 variables I have written. Remaining 6 variables also you write like that. 6 into 2, another 12 statements will come. You write. This is input section is over. Thereafter, one line gap you leave. Then you write processing section. What for we are writing processing section? To fill the output variables. Fill the output variables with values we are writing. For that purpose, in processing section, arithmetical statements we write. What are the arithmetical statements? For total marks, what is the formula? Total marks is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5. It is like a mathematical formula only that you write. After that, you have to write average marks. After total marks only, you have to write average mark, this one. Why? You know. First total marks are to be calculated, then only average marks are to be calculated. Because total marks, once this variable is filled, we can use it here. Okay. Then we have written only 2, because 2 output variables are there, the corresponding 2 statements we have written. Thereafter, output section. Now line gap you leave. Here line gap you leave, and output section. As far as output section is concerned, already many times from the beginning of program number 1 I have been explaining. Only thing is, without practice, you cannot master it. No role of common sense. Understand? So here, what you have to identify, how many lines of how many printf statements you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 printf statements you write, and perfect formation you must be very careful uh, with this and with this, with the ninth and 11 sorry 10th and 8th and 10th statements you have to write very carefully. For a beginner programmer, definitely it is a challenge. Some mistakes they may commit. Only by practice you can understand that, and you write the output statements. Now you see that your program should be like a photograph. See, declaration section, line gap, input section, line gap, processing section, line gap, output section. It should be like a well formatted document.